last year, dark mode has been really popular across devices and web browsers. I'm going to show you how to change Windows 11 light mode to dark mode. You're going to right click the start menu and go to System. Now here you're going to click on Personalization. Make sure you have Windows 11 activated. If it's not activated, these options will be grayed out. Okay, so here we're going to click on Colors. And right here where it says Light, you're in light mode. Click on it, the drop down Dark and Custom. We're going to take a look at Custom real quick. Okay, Custom mode. All right, so we can change the default Windows mode to dark, which will have your taskbar and all your Windows operating system to dark, except for your apps. Apps will be still in light mode. So let's change that back to light mode and change this to dark mode, and all your apps will be in dark mode. Okay, so here, let's change this back to dark mode and have everything dark mode. Here, we're going to enable transparency effects. Now, if you can have it off or on, it doesn't matter. All right, so now we're going to customize dark mode. By that, we're going to schedule when Windows 11 will turn on dark mode and turn off dark mode. So to do that, we're going to go up here in the search bar and we're going to type in nightlight. Okay, so here's schedule nightlight. We're going to turn that on. Okay, here we can set the hours. So you can set it whenever you want to turn it on or turn off. Make sure this is turned on as well. Up here where it says turn off now. If it says turn off now, it means it's turned on. Okay, so what's really cool is you can actually have Windows turn off and on your dark mode by using the Windows time on your machine. So to do that, you have to turn on location. So here you're going to click on location settings, and in the location service, we're going to turn it on. Now here, sometimes the let apps access your location, it will sometimes be off. So make sure it's on. Okay, so let's go back to the nightlight. Okay, here it'll say sunset to sunrise. Perfect. So now you're letting Windows turn off and on your dark mode by the Windows time service on your machine. So that is it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this setting. And for more Windows 11 tips, tricks, and study guides, subscribe. Turn your bell notification on for the latest content. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.